What if the only thing that's truly real is you asking that question? What if the solid ground beneath your feet, the air you're breathing, even the very thoughts you believe are your own, are all just part of an elaborate illusion? This isn't the premise of some sci-fi movie. It's a single, terrifying problem that has haunted philosophers for ages and is now cornering modern scientists. It's a problem that suggests nothing you see, hear, or touch is real. That the only certainty in the entire universe is your own awareness. This foundational idea that our perception isn't a direct line to the truth, but an interpretation at best and a deception at worst, is what philosophers now call the problem of perception. They show there's a gap between what is really out there and what we experience as being out there. Scientists are now confronting the same problem that haunted Parmenides and Plato: the deep, unsettling disconnect between the world as it appears and the world as it is. Your brain constructs your entire perceptual world from the inside out. Neuroscientist Anil Seth calls this process a controlled hallucination. Every color, every sound, every texture is a fabrication of your neural circuitry, a story told to you by your brain. But the fact remains, your conscious experience isn't a window onto reality. It is a meticulously crafted fiction. The world you experience is a mental construct. It opens the door to a radical possibility. Maybe consciousness isn't a product of the physical world, but the physical world is a product of consciousness. Here, we confront the paradox in its most chilling form. The idea that the universe isn't a physical system that produces consciousness, but that consciousness is the fundamental ground from which the physical universe is projected. This is the famous observer effect, and it has led some physicists and philosophers to a speculative and controversial conclusion: that the act of observation, or perhaps even consciousness, is what brings reality into being. Whether you call it a hallucination, an interface, a quantum projection, or a simulation, these ideas all converge on one destabilizing point. The reality we experience is not the fundamental reality. It's a constructed reality.